and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I have got the new 2022 Huda Beauty mystery bag. So the last time, I think it was the last time that these came out, there was a large and a small. I ordered both and I really liked both of them because I didn't get any dupes and I didn't get anything that I already had. So this year there's only one that was available. It's called the Day to Night, and I believe for day it's supposed to have one eyeshadow palette, two lipsticks, and one set of lashes, and the same for night. So you should get two palettes. I think they're the 9pan, two sets of lashes, and 4 lip products, and then it comes also with a trial size mascara and a little lash glue. So I'm fully prepared to get palettes I already have. And I know I won't use the lashes just because I am not so good with the lashes. But I'm hoping for some new lip colors and maybe one of the palettes, maybe both, hopefully both, will be ones I don't have. So let's get into it. And so also this is valued at $280 Canadian and I bought it for $165, which is still a lot, but I'm thankful for the interest-free payment plans that are available sometimes. So it kind of spreads it out. Yeah, so 10 products in total, $165. Let's see if we get our value. So it's a cute little bag. It was just very similar to the last one, like the holographic. And then they do put in this bubble wrap so you can't totally see what's inside. So let's get into it. So let's grab the lashes first because they're on top. So here are the lashes. That's back. So this one is Harmony number 17, Easy Lash. And this is Sasha number 11, Classic. So for sure, I'm more drawn to the Classic set. But like I said, I'm okay at applying the magnetic lashes, but the ones with the lash glue, I was never shown how. I was never taught how. Like my mom didn't wear such things, so I never really learned how to do that. I'm sure a YouTube tutorial or 7 might help, but they scare the crap out of me. So I don't know if I'll keep these or if I'll pass them along. But they're really nice looking. I don't want any spoilers, so I'm just going to grab this. Oh, and this is the lash glue. So it is Sticky Tack lash glue, and it is clear tone, 6.5 milliliters or 0.2 fluid ounces. Restickable, long wear, latex free, and waterproof. So it's a mini size, but it's a decent size. I mean, like for the amount of time I wear fake lashes, that would literally last forever. And then there is a card on the inside. Does it tell us how to? There's probably instructions. There's that. I'm so excited. I hope I get stuff that I don't have already. All right, I'm going to grab something else. This is a Power Bullet Matte Lipstick. So I don't actually, and it's Dirty 30 is the shade. Looks like a shade I like. So I only have the lip, the wands, you know, what are they called? Oh my gosh, my brain's died. I don't have any bullet lipsticks from this brand. So that is something I already don't have. They make it very difficult to get into here. All right. Oh, so it's really pretty packaging, like an ombre. And like I said, the shade is Dirty 30 and it's a matte lipstick. So it's like a mauvey brownish nude. Let's swatch it. So that is what it looks like swatched on the skin. It swatched really nicely. It feels very smooth and creamy. And that's definitely a shade I would wear. So we're still going good. Feeling around. Oh, that's the tag. What is this? So this is a lip contour lip pencil in the shade Warm Brown. I don't tend to wear a lot of lip pencils, so let's see what the color looks like, and maybe I'll swatch it or maybe I will just give it away if it comes out. Ooh. is really in there. And I broke 2 of my nails off yesterday, so I don't even have nails to grab stuff out. Oh, the struggle is real. There we go. So that is what the lip pencil looks like. And that is the tip. I mean, I might just wear that as a lip color, so I'll just swatch it next to this. It's got a very precise tip. It is very brown, but nice. Not something I would gravitate towards though, but maybe I'll use it more often. All right, what else do I feel? Another lip pencil. So I thought you were getting 2 lipsticks per look, but you're getting a lip pencil, it looks like, and then a lipstick. So this is pinky brown. So 2 lip crayon things and then 2 lipsticks perhaps. This one's coming out a little bit easier. I like that the whole tube is the color, so that if it's in your like makeup holder, you can tell what color you're looking for. And then that is that, and then we'll just swatch it next to the warm brown. So that looks a lot more pink on camera than it does in real life. It's just like a nice dusty rose, and I would probably use that as an all over lip color as well. Okay, we're getting down to it. So I'm feeling around, and it looks like we have another bullet lipstick. It's from Sweet Nudes. What was this one? This one didn't say. So this is also a Power Bullet Cream Glow Cream Lipstick, and it is in the shade Honey Bun. So let's see what this one is. If these lip liners are supposed to go, it's not working so far. So this is the color. I really like the shape of the tip. It's a little bit more unique. It's a very nice looking nude, so we'll just swatch. Oh, it's very creamy. Oh my, that's very creamy. So that is the color of that. It's really pretty. Very pretty color for spring. So that is all 4 of the lip colors together. So this top lip liner most likely would look best with this color here. And then I think we got one other thing other than the 2 palettes, so let's see what that is first. Okay, so that was the, let me just look at it for longer. This is the like small size, travel size mascara. It is major volume, dramatic curl, and insane length. This is the Legit Lashes. 2 mascaras in 1, volume plus curl and length, and it is in Very Vanta, and then Extreme Black. So this is another thing I've never tried from her brand, is the mascara. I have the double-sided eyeliner, which I do like when I wear eyeliner. So that is what it looks like. It's very nice packaging. So let's see what's on this side is the curl and length. So that is the wand on that side. It's got a little. So that is the kind of wand I like. I don't love a very bushy wand because I have small eyelashes. And then that is the other side. And I think it's synthetic, like bristles, like more like the silicone bristles. So that's nice. That'll probably last a while. Now let's see what eyeshadow palettes we got. So to prepare for the 9 pans, I've got the 3, what do I have? The 3 like pastels. I've got the 3 nudes, and then I've got a bunch of the obsessions. So hopefully we have something kind of new in here that I don't have, but I'm prepared. I prepared myself. Okay, here we go. Blindly. I don't have this one. So we're winning so far. So this is the Python palette. Now it's more of a green, and I do have green eyes, but I tend to go for more of the pinks and purples. So I'm excited that it is oh, look at that. That's really cool. I'm excited that it is a palette that I don't have. And also look at that packaging. And for what I've seen on the internet, like these have really cool textures, like a lot of her palettes. So let's look at it together. Mood Improved. Wow. So that is what that palette looks like. I mean, these three for sure, this pinky coral and these browns, and this one definitely will wear. I'll probably try out the other two. These are really nice for, like, this quadrant is really nice for spring. But just look at those textures. Like, she does textures really well. And you know what? I'm gonna keep it. So I'm gonna swatch like this one, and then one of the mattes with my broken fingernails, and then just like this yellow and this pink. Like, that's a perfect like springtime look right there. We've just had Easter. Okay, so that shimmer is more like a topper, that top one. But that pigment is really nice, especially for that yellow. So, I am not mad at that. Let's see if the other one we got is also one that I don't own. Here we go. Oh, I don't have this one either. Yay! So this is from the browns. It is the Toffee Brown Obsession. So this is another one that I don't have any palettes from this collection. So I'm so happy. I didn't get anything I already had. Because you take your chances. So let's see what this one looks like. So it is just a really nice, warm toffee, basically, colored palette. And it's got some really nice textures as well. It's got, like, this would be good for fall with like that mustard yellow. So let's, with my other hand, let's pick a couple to swatch. So I'm going to do this one here, which I imagine would be more of a topper. Yes. This shimmer, this, and then this yellow. So that is what they look like on the finger. And then swatch on the hand. So that pigment is really amazing as well. Like, look at this. Look at that. It's amazing. It's amazing. So I'm very happy that I got everything I don't already have. So perfect. I would highly recommend picking this up if you can afford it, and if you like to get surprises and you are willing to risk that you might already own it. I'm very happy that I didn't get any duplicates. So yeah, I mean, I could pick favorites, but obviously it's going to be the eyeshadow palettes, the Toffee Brown, and then the Wild Python. And then the two lip colors I really liked as well. The lip crayons were nice. And then the lashes and the mascara. Lashes last, obviously, just because I won't wear them. I've got it all over my pants now. Yeah, so I was very happy. Was it worth it? $165 is a lot of money. I think these retail for about $40 Canadian. So right here, that's 80. So that's almost half. But I'm sure I got my value. Oh, my dryer's going off. So I'm sure I got my value, and I will use everything except the lashes probably. But I will definitely pass those on to somebody who I think might use them. I don't know actually anybody that would use fake lashes often, but maybe I'll just give them away in a giveaway. I always say that. I never give anything away. I've got like a hoard of things that I'm like, I'm going to give this away. And I still have it. It's all in a box, but I just haven't got that far. Mostly because I'm terrified of doing a giveaway and doing it incorrectly. But that being said, I really liked this bag. I'm very happy that I didn't get any duplicates. And I would like to thank you for watching. I really appreciate it as always. If you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing. If you aren't already subscribed, you can click here to subscribe and go to my channel. You can click like down below. You can leave a comment as well. And then there's more videos here and here for your viewing pleasure. And I hope you all have a great day. Thanks.